Okay guys, so I'm back. My phone's on 17%. That was fast. Okay. You can't hold the phone. There you go. I'm holding with the dog. Oh my gosh, why are we gonna go to the park? Oh my gosh, this is taking super long. Oh, the birds are scared of the dogs, huh? You can go in the street if you want. Come on, you can go in the street if you want. You can go everywhere in the street if there's no cars coming. She's in the street. Now come on, Littles. I don't want no cars to come. Can you go under in the car, Littles? Sorry guys, but I just stopped the video because my computer's on 15%. My phone's on 15%, so I just stopped the video. Oh my gosh. This dog's going around and around and around and around. Sorry guys, but you can't even see the part to another video. Sorry because my phone is dying. I'm so sorry guys. Bye.